Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Corinne and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. Alright, so it's been a minute, but your girl's back. Okay, I'm back. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my first P.Louise Budget Box. Yes, I know this video is long overdue, but I'm getting to these subscription boxes. Alright, so the first box that I have today is January's budget box. So January 2025 budget box that we received in February. So I already opened it, so this is it. Ta-da! Alright, so first things first is this product. So we got this. This was the freebie that came with the subscription box. And this is the Fruity Fix setting spray. It says instantly revitalize your skin's moisture. Refresh your makeup. Oh, this is so cute. And then it comes with a whole pamphlet. Yeah, so it's made with orange flower water, aloe vera leaf extract, grapeseed oil, and helianthus annuus seed oil, which appears to be sunflower seed oil. Let me get this out here. Alright, yeah, so this is really attached. Okay. This was definitely not going nowhere. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. I don't know if this is a full size or if this is a mini version, but this is so cute. Let's see. Yeah, definitely, I'm definitely getting that citrus scent. And I did my makeup, however I did not put on my setting spray, so I'm just gonna put okay, that is refreshing. It is not, the scent is not overpowering. It is, I do get that hint of citrus, but at the same time it smells very sweet. Alright, so that is the best way that I can describe this right now. Alright, so now let's get into the actual products of the budget box. So they all came in this box. I found this to be so cute. It's like a cassette tape. So cute, so cute. And then there's a play and a pause button. That is just, it is so cute. Alright, so let me show you the products that I got in this mystery box. This month we got mini versions of products, and they all have like a keychain that came with them, with the exception of this one here. So this is the Thirst Seeker. Oh, this is another setting spray. Okay, why did I think that this was a hand sanitizer? Okay, yeah, so this is a setting spray. Ah, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. However, mine doesn't, it's not like, yeah, I don't know. It's not, I don't know, it comes out, you know. It's not staying put. I'm not sure if it's supposed to stay put or not. So it comes, so this is how it looks, and you just spray. Oh no, that's not it. We're supposed to take it out, I guess. Because, well, there's a hole here, but yet when I spray, it does not come through the hole. So I don't know if that's a defect or if I'm literally just supposed to take the product out in order to spray it. Next up, we also got a lip exfoliator. So this is a mini version, which is so cute. Okay, well, I will have to open that up, but I'm not gonna open it up today because I already have a lip exfoliator from ColourPop that I'm trying out. So when I'm done with that, I will definitely be testing this one out. Next we have the Malibu Moment Silky Serum. So this is a lip serum. Also got the Protect Your Pout in Peach Spirit. Alright. Oops. And this is how it opens up. And yeah, I forgot to show you with the Silky Serum. I didn't open it up for you guys to see, but oh wow, look at that. So this is a serum. So okay, so a lot of stuff for the face, for the lips. Yeah, not bad. If my lips don't look smooth, feel smooth after this, child. And this is an eyebrow gel. Okay, I definitely needed this eyebrow gel to tame my brows. Next we have the Tearproof Mascara. This is it here. And this is in the color black. And then we also got the So Attached Lash Glue. So this is a lash glue. And oops. We also got the Stay Shining, what is this? Stay Shining. Let's see. I took them out of the boxes. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, this smells so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. I just closed it and I smelled it. Oh, this smells so good. I think this is a lip oil. I could be wrong, but I think this is a lip oil, but it smells so good. And then last but not least, you know, the final two products that I'm going to be testing out for you guys. I already tested them out and I love them. So we got a lip liner in the shade Rich Tea, and we also got a lipstick in the shade Give Me More. Gimme, 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 gimme more. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try these two out for you guys so that you can see exactly how they look. I will say though about the shade Rich Tea, as you can see here, you can barely see it on my skin tone. I don't even know where I applied it. You can barely see the lighter part of my arm. Okay, there you can see it on the lighter part of my arm. Alright, so let's go. So I applied this and you could basically barely see this on my lips. Do I like the pencil? Absolutely yes. Is this the shade for me? Perhaps not. But surprisingly, I was quite surprised, like when I added a lipstick with it, how this showed up. Now alone, I'm not seeing anything, but let's add a lipstick and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Y'all, this stuff is so pigmented. It is so not funny. This is so pigmented, y'all. Yeah, I absolutely need to exfoliate. But this is giving me, I wouldn't say a matte formula, a semi-matte formula. I think that is what it's giving me. Now initially when you see this shade, of course this is not going to work for us dark skinned girlies on its own. We definitely have to blend it in with a lip liner. But as you can see, what I was saying about rich cocoa, when I apply it on my lips you can barely see it, but then when I mix it with this lipstick, it helps the lipstick to blend in so flawlessly with the rest of my skin. So yeah, I get this combo. I get this combo. Now if you are my complexion, this can work for you. If you're darker, perhaps it will still work to help, you know, fade out that lipstick at the end. You know, it's like you have on a liner but you can't really see. I don't know how to explain it, but I love these two together on my complexion. Alone, this is kind of the color of my skin tone, so yeah, but together, absolutely love it. I love this look. I love the vibe that it's given. Now I do want to mention about the subscription box. P.Louise has subscription boxes, so you can either get onto the monthly subscription box, or you can pay for a full year subscription, or you can do 6 months. I went for the 6 months because to me 6 months is enough time to see whether or not you actually like the products. And not only that, but it is cheaper to take the 6 months than it is to pay monthly. So you pay a one-time fee for the 6 months and you don't have to pay shipping every month, as opposed to the monthly subscription box where I believe you do have to pay for shipping every month. All right, and the 1 year of course is more beneficial, but as I'm new to P.Louise, I did not want to invest so much in a subscription box and ended up not liking it. Now pertaining to this subscription box, do I think that it was worth the money? I would definitely say, well, I've seen a lot of mixed reviews, especially from people who had the subscription box for a while now, I guess comparing it to the previous boxes. But me personally, as a first-time comer, I love the box. I love the fact that everything comes in, even though they're small, it comes on a keychain. I absolutely love that, because sometimes, you know, when you go out, you will carry maybe a lipstick or a liner or something in your purse, and then sometimes you can't find it in your purse anymore. But I love this. I love this. This lets me know exactly where everything is. I can't wait to put these on my keys. For me, I love the box. I love the box. All right, so let me know in the description bar down below what you think about this particular box, the January box received in February. Let me also know if you've received this box already and what were your thoughts when you got this box. All right, so if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, you can visit my other social media. I have other content going on over there, especially my Instagram, that I'm really starting to post a lot on my Instagram, so visit that. You're gonna see a lot of makeup looks. If you were wondering about how what I put on my eyes, to achieve this look, I used the ColourPop Wild Child palette for the top, and going in, I used the Aura and Out eyeshadow palette. So these are the two palettes that I used. And as you can see, Wild Child is basically losing the writing. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. Well, yeah, favorite eyeshadow palette of the moment. This is the one that this is my go-to. This is my ride or dies. I wear this to work. I can wear this anyway. I absolutely love this. This shade right here has been used so many times. Yeah, definitely a must-have. If you're new to makeup, this definitely wild child I do recommend. And Aura and Out, this is how it looks. Yeah, it's kind of like pastel greens, oranges, and blues. Yeah, so there you have it. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. Until next time, bye bye.